Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. If you want to get some cool parts, especially some hubs for your truck, whether it be a Dodge, Chevrolet IFS, or a Jeep, you come to the right place. So, here it is. The second, 2026. Set of 5,500 hubs going out. 3,500's going out. Shaft going out. 3,500's going out with Warren lockers. 2005 dually with the adapters. Another late model Chevrolet. Another late model Chevrolet. A Jeep. So, we be shipping out a lot of hubs. And that's just this week alone. So, if you want to completely change your buggy, disconnect that front end, and be a total badass like the old days, you know, they stopped putting locking hubs, you know. I guess Mopar was the last ones in '93, that Dana 60. You know, Ford redesigned everything. Get you some hubs and completely transform that buggy. It will shock you, and you will know before you even get out of the neighborhood that you have changed your ride. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.